दोनों इस कॉज को सपोर्ट करते एंड इट्स अ वेरी कमेंडेबल एफर्ट। हम साथ देंगे, हमारे साथ है उनके शुरू से ही। अच्छा है, वेरी गुड, दैट्स अ गुड सपोर्ट फॉर एवरीबॉडी। गर्मियों में आएगी बेवॉच लेकर, पर मेजबान के साथ तो कई सालों से जुड़ी हुई है। थैंक यू।
Wonderful cause, and Shabana ji called me and she said I had to be here, and I always have supported Mijwa, and I think it's a great initiative, and I think it's something that can be applied to any village across the country, and I think it's lovely how Manish, everyone's come together to sort of give it a platform to talk about some very real issues that our country is suffering from. Well, I'm very excited. They both are my favorites, and I think it's going to be a night with a lot of glamour, a lot of style, with a good cause at the root of it. Yes. I know I wasn't here for the press conference. I was traveling. I was promoting my other film, so I was in the UK promoting that. Hi. Any message for Women's Day? Well, I would just like to say that every day is Women's Day, and there's not one specific day that we should celebrate and commemorate all the women around us. And I think if we just acknowledge the presence of what women are doing around us every single day, we should just.
At the same time, we are also very eager for your international project.
Yes.
We have heard. Very excited for it.
I am very excited for it, and in fact 3rd March को film UK में release हुई है. Inshallah we'll release the film here in August, which is closer to the 70 years of India's independence and partition. And we all thought it's the right time for a film like this, which is about partition, which is about human values, which is about the need to sort of look at love and humanity and not divide people on religious grounds. I think a film like that is the right time to release would be August in India. This is not the right platform to talk about Viceroy's house, but I'm playing a Muslim translator to Lord Mountbatten. I think we will talk about it when the time is right. Yes. Well, lots of compliments. I think I'm very fortunate. I'm very glad I got to be a part of this beautiful film called Jolly LLB 2. And I'm really happy that not just critics, but I think people in general have enjoyed the film. I've got a lot of compliments about playing Pushpa, because Pushpa Pandey is this little unusual housewife. One has not seen a housewife like this before. Jo, he likes to have a little drink. So her husband makes a drink for her, he presses her feet, he sort of... so it's a very unusual dynamic that both of them have, and now that the film is out, I can talk about it. It's also this one time where he's sort of lost hope and he's sort of hit by these goons, and she rises and she in a way fights these guys in her own housewifey way, and she sort of manages to save him. And I think it's important to write strong characters for women. I've never cared about screen time, because I don't think good acting or bad acting is defined by how many number of minutes you are on screen. It's about what you end up doing. So I've got some very good feedback on playing Pushpa Pandey, and I'm very happy and very grateful for it. All right, thank you very much.
Neha ji, I think, is an inspiration to all of us. She's been working so hard at Mizwan for so many years, and unfortunately, I've never had a chance to come and support her. This is my first time at her annual show, and I give her all my best wishes, and I really hope for Mizwan to go from strength to strength.
Kiran, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka will be walking the ramp.
Oh wow!
Really exciting. What are your views?
I didn't know that. I'm super excited. I was already excited. Now I'm really looking forward to seeing them.
Let me ask you about Karan. Karan is now a father, a parent.
I have no idea. I had no idea.
Is blessed with two twins.
ये कब की न्यूज़ है अभी?
रात को हुआ, 7 फरवरी को हुआ.
Oh, I'm delighted. I mean, what can I say? I need to go and make a call.
It's a baby boy and a baby girl born on 7th of Feb. The news
Wow.
yesterday, 12:20.
Wonderful. What can I say? I mean, that's just wonderful. He deserves every happiness. He deserves every happiness that life can give him. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to hear this news. Thank you for the news. Thank you to the media for the news. सही में मुझे नहीं मालूम था. I had no idea. I live under a rock. मैं फ़ोन अपना उठाती नहीं हूँ. I'm not on social media. और मुझे actually किसी ने नहीं बताया.
अच्छा, आमिर भी नहीं है?
नहीं. आमिर ने बताया नहीं. I have not seen him actually all day, but anyway.
Let me ask
Thank you.
My colleague wants to ask you about the Women's Day.
जी.
It's on 8th of March, and the cause is also related. So, would you like to share any message for Women's Day?
Well, it's been said many times before, we need to do a lot of work for women to be given their, I think, rightful place in every walk of life. We do our bit in our filmmaking, and I think everyone must. And I'm happy that we've set aside a day to celebrate women, but we have to make it a daily celebration.
Thank you, Kiran. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Well, I've always been part of Mizwan in some way or the other because I've always felt for it, and I think some great work that they're doing. Manish Malhotra, Shabana ma'am, and Namrata, empowering women, kind of helping them get employment, and at the same time reviving chicken curry work, which is great. So I think it's a great cause, and really some really good work happening. Yeah, I can't wait to see that. It's exciting. Yeah. Yeah, thanks.
Diana, boss, one second. I want to ask. Hi.
Good evening.
Women's Day is also nearby. My colleague wants to have.
Sorry?
Women's Day is nearby.
Yeah.
8th of March.
Yeah.
Any message for everyone over here on the center?
Well, I've always felt that, it's really important for women to be independent, financially, socially, because that's what's going to eventually take you far. And that being not dependent on somebody else and being dependent only on yourself is, I think, what we all need to work towards in some way or the other. It will make us stronger human beings, and especially in a society like ours, I think that's the one thing. That's the one thing that comes to mind.
And one thing, we all have qualities and flaws. Can you help us one quality and flaw which you want to mention first? One quality of yours and one flaw.
Oh, that I'll have to ask you guys.
What do you think about that? Just tell us.
I think I'm pretty practical, which maybe is a good thing. I don't know. Sometimes it can be a flaw, but sometimes it can be a good thing as well. And I think I'm pretty stubborn, which can be a flaw. So yeah. But I guess both can be worked in good ways and bad. I'm busy shooting right now for my film Lucknow Central, so that's what's keeping me busy. We've got a few days left. We just finished the second schedule, so we've got a little more left, and then we're done. So yeah.